The liver is like your body's natural filter. It cleans your blood, removes toxins, and helps digest fats. But with today's lifestyle, processed food, stress, lack of sleep, your liver gets overloaded. That's when symptoms appear: fatigue, dull skin, bloating, or brain fog. So, giving your liver a small daily boost can make a huge difference. Today, I'll show you a simple, powerful liver detox drink made with just 3 ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Stay with me till the end. I'll also share the best time to drink it, why it works, and how it can transform your energy naturally. All you'll need is 1 cup of warm water, not hot, 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder or fresh grated turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, juice of half a lemon. Optional, 1 teaspoon of honey for taste. Tip: black pepper helps activate curcumin from turmeric, the real detox magic compound. How to make: heat a cup of water until it's warm, not boiling. Add 1–2 teaspoon turmeric powder. I add a small pinch of black pepper. And stir well. And let it sit for 1–2 minutes. And finally, squeeze half a lemon and stir again. Optional. Add honey if you prefer mild sweetness. Your golden liver detox drink is ready. Simple, soothing, and full of healing power. When and how to drink. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when your liver is most active in flushing out toxins. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating breakfast. You can drink it daily or 4 to 5 times a week. Benefits: turmeric reduces inflammation and supports liver enzymes. Lemon helps the liver produce bile and improves digestion. Black pepper boosts nutrient absorption. Together, they support detox, reduce bloating, and increase natural energy. Try this drink for 7 days and notice the difference: lighter digestion, clearer skin, and better focus. Let me know in the comments from where you are watching and how you feel after a week. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs a natural energy boost, and subscribe for more simple wellness recipes. Healing begins where nature starts.